The life force, it is, however, not spirit. There is some possibility the esoteric stuff that some assume to be spirit may actually be the first degradation preceding the primary elements, although it is not certain. Energy diffused as motion opposed to gathered and discharged. Notes. Quiet sounds make EM rise. Loud sounds cause EM to project. Low sounds cause EM to fall. Magnets cause pulling to increase. Before using magnets, learn to see EM through meditation. Only keep the mind still. Consider magnets won't work unless you are aware of your magnetic field. All affinities have a lightning. When you cause one of the poles of magnetism, positive, negative, to be uneven, one pole has more influence, you then cause the magnetic force to increase its generation. Internal memo. I'm pretty sure the amnestics I use in the course of my duties is beginning to wear off. I'm starting to remember otherworldly things. These things, though within description, I feel I should not describe in full, for I can't remember yet exactly what has been redacted. I do seem to recall this process. No wonder they call me Azathoth. It seems there is some strategy to partitioning my memories. For what purpose still eludes me yet. But as I was once using my psionic power to more or less communicate through the TV like a crystal ball, and I don't mean Kyle Kalinski's girlfriend, a really strange and absolutely bonkers thing happened. I was reviewing a short playthrough of some songs, and suddenly I was